Approval for the Arro card depends on whether your income, banking history, and credit behavior show you can handle monthly payments, since the card is designed to approve a wider range of applicants than traditional premium cards. By the end, you'll know what lenders typically look for with the Arro card, what usually gets applications rejected, and how to improve your approval chances before you apply. The Arro card is built around a cash flow style approval process. Instead of relying only on a single credit score, it evaluates your banking activity and financial stability. That means your income consistency and account behavior matter just as much as your credit history. What this means is simple. If your bank account shows regular deposits and stable spending patterns, you generally look more reliable to the approval system. If your account activity is inconsistent or frequently overdrawn, approval becomes less likely even if your credit score is not terrible. Credit history still matters, but it is not the only factor. Applicants with limited credit can still be considered if they have strong income and stable banking behavior. On the other hand, applicants with higher credit scores can still be denied if their financial activity looks unstable. The most common reason for denial is a mismatch between reported income and spending patterns. If your bank account does not support the income you report on the application, that can raise concerns during review. Another issue is recent negative credit activity, such as missed payments or high utilization, which can still impact the decision. To improve your chances, the first step is making sure your bank account looks stable over time. That means consistent deposits and avoiding overdrafts before you apply. The second step is reducing existing credit balances if possible, since high utilization can still influence approval decisions. The third step is applying only when your financial activity reflects steady behavior over at least a short period, rather than immediately after changes in income or spending. There is no guaranteed approval path, but applicants who present stable income patterns and responsible credit usage generally have stronger outcomes with cards like Arro. The bottom line is that Arro is not just looking at your credit score. It is trying to understand your financial reliability through your real-world banking behavior. Your next step is to review your recent bank activity and credit report together before applying, so you can identify any weak points that might affect approval. If this breakdown helped, like and subscribe for more clear credit card guides that explain what actually matters without the confusion.